Episode 61 begins from inside Yuhao's soul sea, where we first see the shell of the ice goddess, inside which she is about to be reborn. Inside the shell, small forms of the power of the ice goddess are slowly emerging. At this time, Yuhao is sitting and providing power through cultivation because Uncle Niu Tian and Uncle Tai Tan have already told him that now the spirits whom they had captured together. Now it is about to come out, although they were still afraid that after the shell is broken, the same amount of power may not be released again because without Electrolex this time they will not be able to handle that much power, but this time it does not get messed up. The shell breaks peacefully, after which Yuhao comes inside his soul sea where the ice goddess in her small and cute form was just eating her shell and Yuhao had just seen her. But he did not think that maybe now the ice goddess would recognize him, so he asks, "Do you know me?" And now the ice goddess calls him Papa as soon as she sees him and immediately comes out of her soul sea. Here now Yuhao. He was also very surprised to see that the ice goddess has completely come in a spirit form. Although he was happy about this, then the ice goddess hugs him, calling him Papa. Yuhao was feeling shy and his face had turned red due to embarrassment. Now both Uncle Niu Tian and Uncle Tai Tan were surprised to see this thing. Here Uncle Tai Tan comes forward and asks why she is calling you Papa. But seeing them, the cute ice goddess gets scared and releases her ice energy, due to which a lot of ice aura was coming out from that room. But now to stop that aura, Uncle Niu Tian creates a round barrier around Yuhao and the little ice goddess so that the aura does not go outside, although due to this, the little ice goddess got more scared and came behind Yuhao. She says that these people are bad, they are trying to imprison us, to which Yuhao says that no, they are not bad, it is you who has made the mess, so first you have to stop your energy. Now after agreeing to this, the little ice goddess stops her energy and then Uncle Niu Tian also removes the barrier from around him. However, due to that aura, Uncle Tai Tan's beard and hair were completely frozen. However, then he removing it, he says that it is so cute that we cannot even say anything about it. Although just now Uncle Niu Tian was saying that Senior Electrolex has given a spirit body to a soul, this is an amazing thing. To which Yuhao says that yes, the teacher has compressed the ice goddess's soul with the energy of heaven and earth and given it a spirit form. Both of them are surprised to hear this and Uncle Tai Tan says that the ice goddess is from the north region. He is one of the 3 Arctic kings. Actually, he knew that Yuhao had some extraordinary spirit inside him, but till now he did not ask Yuhao about it, rather he would have asked. But actually he did not get time because all this happened very quickly. Well, now Uncle Tai Tan was very excited about this. He was saying that it is amazing that you have the spirit of an ice goddess inside you, but he used to say so. They came a little too close, due to which the little ice goddess gets scared again and freezes his beard again with her aura. Now Yuhao says that why the ice goddess is with me is a long story. However, then Uncle Niu Tian starts saying that now the ice goddess is in spirit form, which means she can also give you her soul ring. Now after hearing the soul ring, the little ice goddess immediately comes there in the air and then she came here and immediately gave her soul ring. She also started sharing power with Yuhao. She was actually trying to share her soul ring with Yuhao, but she finds that Yuhao doesn't have room for her soul ring. Now seeing her sad, Yuhao says that I have just crossed level 50, I still have 1 soul ring space left. Look carefully, but on this the little ice goddess starts saying that what will happen to me with that 1 space. Now Yuhao does not understand this thing and starts saying what should I do now, but then Uncle Tai Tan says that you also have another martial soul. You can use its space. Now after this, Yuhao immediately uses his second martial soul, due to which there is enough space for the soul ring. Now after seeing this, the little ice goddess was very happy, so she quickly moves forward into Yuhao's soul sea where we see the soul of the original ice goddess who is currently providing power to this baby little ice goddess. After which now the little ice goddess starts providing soul rings to Yuhao from her side. The only difference was that here the color of the ice goddess's soul rings was white, seeing which both Uncle Niu Tian and Uncle Tai Tan were surprised. Another soul ring is added, seeing which Uncle Tai Tan gets even more surprise, but this thing does not stop here. After some time a 3rd soul ring and then a 4th soul ring is also added. After seeing what Uncle Tai Tan was most surprised, He says that it has added 4 soul rings together. I had never seen such a thing before. However, Uncle New Tien says that this thing is not complete yet. And just then, the energy of those soul rings that was coming out from Yu Hao started changing, and within a few seconds, their color also started changing. And now those soul rings changed to orange color. Uncle Tai Tan and Uncle New Tien were very surprised to see such soul rings. They both say together that they have never seen such soul rings and nor had he ever heard of them before. That's why Uncle Tai Tan was saying that he was afraid that they might start destroying our Hao Tian sect again like before. But here everything becomes peaceful because now those soul rings were added to Yu Hao's body, after which the little ice goddess also comes out again. Now seeing her, Uncle Tai Tan says that you have just added soul rings. Then how did you come out? The little ice goddess gets angry and freezes his beard again, although Yu Hao then says that the 4 soul rings I just added were the 4 abilities of the ice goddess. It shows that the ice goddess has divided her powers into soul rings so that Yu Hao does not have to wield as much power at once as before, because again the same thing happened last time, so now it will remain locked inside the power soul rings. Now this time Uncle Tai Tan says that it means you have no problem with this thing, to which Yu Hao says, "No, I do not have any problem with this thing, rather it is good because now ice goddess and I can fight together. This is also beneficial for me because I will also get power from the strength of ice goddess." Only then Uncle New Tien says that yes, you said it right, but this thing cannot be known by saying it because both of you have connected for the first time, hence you should practice this thing a little, on the pretext we will test your power also. And now after this both of them started taking Yu Hao to a place at some distance from Haoshan sect where Yu Hao could use his power, and that too without destroying anything of Haoshan sect. Although Uncle Tai Tan, it is said that if the little ice goddess does not have any problem then she can come with me. On this pretext the misunderstanding between us will also be removed. But Uncle Tai Tan was saying to Uncle New Tien that brother, I should get a chance to practice with Yu Hao now, on which Uncle New Tien says that it is okay but you will not use your martial soul during the fight, to which he says yes. Uncle Tai Tan comes straight up to the mountain from there, after which Yu Hao also came to that mountain using his soul guiding tool. Now after coming here, Uncle Tai Tan says to Yu Hao, "Look, the rules are simple. If you move me from my place then you will be considered won. If you win, then you can come to Haoshan sect at any time, but if you lose, then you come anyway, but after losing. Instead, I will have to hug the little ice goddess." Now after hearing this, the little ice goddess offers it to Uncle Tai Tan and then comes to Yu Hao. By the way, Yu Hao was just telling him that this is our first battle, so you have to listen to me, to which the little ice goddess says yes, but now instead of attacking together with the little ice goddess, here Yu Hao himself first moves forward and attacks Uncle Tai Tan, but with this attack, Uncle Tai Tan is not hurt. It doesn't matter that he didn't move even 1 inch from his place, but then Yu Hao again comes away and kicks him, but it also doesn't matter, after which Yu Hao comes straight into the air. And Yu Hao, using all his spiritual energy, attacks them with a sovereign strike, due to which the entire mountain started shaking. On the other hand, the place of Hoa Tian sect where all the disciples were training has also started shaking. All of them were surprised to see that, but then another disciple comes there and tells that Masters is fighting with the boy who came with young master. Anyone who wants to see the fight can go there. After which all the disciples from there had gone straight towards the mountain. However, even Yu Hao's attack did not work here. That is why he was saying that Uncle Tai Tan is just like a hill. It is so difficult to move him from his place. It will not be easy, but after this now he combines his 2 attacks together. He has done Ice Empress Wart to your evolved fate, Soul Stayer, providing energy from. By making it more strong, it attacked Uncle Tai Tan. This attack was really very powerful, but after removing a little energy there, we see that Uncle Tai Tan has just blocked this attack and then that too. Release a little bit of his energy, due to which both these attacks get destroyed together. Now he was saying this with some style. Uncle New Tien is very disappointed seeing that he is thinking that he is hitting style in front of a child. However, there Yu Hao was also very surprised to see this and he says that my attacks are of no use. Because of this, I will have to take the help of soul guiding tools also. But as he was about to do so, the little ice goddess stops him, after which Yu Hao says, "Oh yes, I had forgotten about you. Well, I have tried my attack. Now you try your attack." Now little ice goddess was very happy to hear this, and their Uncle Titan was also getting excited because he also wanted to see the attack of little ice goddess. However, after this, now Yu Hao here, he releases his ice energy, and there along with him the little ice goddess was also using her special technique, Snowy Dance of Ultimate Ice. Due to this attack, that mountain as well as the surrounding area was covered in the ice realm, due to which that place started freezing and huge ice started coming out, and due to its power, Uncle Titan's body was also destroyed there. One hand gets completely frozen, and after some time, his legs also got frozen, due to which he could not even move from his place. However, here Yu Hao is currently providing his power to the little ice goddess. And during this time he was thinking that due to the combination of ice goddess and her power, and due to Yu Hao's cultivation being more now, the area has increased more than before. Yu Hao has used such a technique in which he could control ice energy from a distance, but this Snowy Dance of Ultimate Ice technique is much different from that technique because it covers the entire Hao Tian sect. By the way, because of this, those disciples were not able to stand at that place, nor were they able to see in front. Now on this side we come here to Uncle Titan. He himself is fine at the moment, but he feels the presence of Yu Hao. The reason why he was not feeling it is that there is ice in front of him, so he cannot see Yu Hao, and right now the ice energy is spread throughout Yu Hao's body in such a way that it is almost impossible to feel the presence of his body. However, he was definitely ready for the next attack because Yu Hao can attack from anywhere. That is why he removes the ice from around him. Then the little ice goddess from the front prepares for her next attack. Both Uncle New Tian as well as Uncle Titan were very surprised. Here Uncle Titan had just removed the ice from around him, but before attacking, the little ice goddess once again freezes all around there. And after this, she now uses another special attack of hers called Snowless Glacier Attack, due to which the place was freezing faster, and at the same time, ice completely froze around Uncle Titan's body. Uncle New Tian says from a distance that you have to be a little careful, to which Uncle Titan replies that he is not able to move because one of his hands is completely frozen. But after this, now he releases his spiritual energy, due to which he removed all the surrounding ice, and now he was completely free, but still Uncle New Tian tells him that the attack of the ice goddess is not complete yet. Now on the other side, little ice goddess comes with her third special attack after these two attacks. Before performing this attack, he had freed the Empress sword imprisoned inside him with his energy, after which Yu Hao takes out that sword and then swings it, due to which a huge sword comes straight from the sky above Uncle New Tian. This attack is called Unparalleled Chill, Empress Sword, and it is also one of the 3 special attacks of the Ice Goddess. Uncle New Tian knows very well about this attack, that is why he warns Uncle Titan in advance that he has to take this attack seriously, due to which Uncle Titan immediately prepares Titan Great Ape for this attack. And then Titan Great Ape comes out there and tries to stop that Empress Sword of the Ice Goddess with all his spiritual power. Right now the energy of that sword was very high. Because of this, Titan Great Ape was also having a lot of trouble in stopping him, but within a short time he stopped that sword. After which Uncle Titan was saying that why did you have so many attacks, on which the little ice goddess Yu Hao gets a little angry and then she kicks her Empress sword. Here she was giving her power to the sword, so Yu Hao stops her. Because Titan Great Ape and Uncle Titan's spiritual power are not able to stop that sword, and that sword passes through there. Although it was just spiritual form, due to which they do not suffer any serious injury, but due to the sword moving forward from there. Now Uncle Titan had also moved back. And there were also freezers. Due to this, an ice wave also spread there. However, now this fight is here, it was over. So Yu Hao comes down from the air and little ice goddess also sits on his shoulder. Yu Hao was just telling him that Uncle Titan is not our enemy. You should not have attacked him with so much power, but little the ice goddess was angry with them. This is the reason why she used so much power, but now because of what Yu Hao said, she became a little sad. Meanwhile, Uncle Titan removes the ice from around himself and says that nothing happened to me due to this attack, but then Uncle New Tien comes and says that nothing happened to you but you have lost, to which Uncle Titan says that I have not lost. However, when he looks behind him, he realizes that he has already come far away from his place. So now he says no, I came back deliberately, but on this Uncle New Tien says no, you did not come back deliberately, you have lost, so now keep quiet. Well, now when Yu Hao and Ice Goddess come there, Uncle New Tien Yu Hao tells us that these 3 techniques that the Ice Goddess has just used are very famous techniques and they are called the special 3 techniques of the Ice Goddess. Although both Yu Hao and Uncle Titan did not know about this, that is why Uncle New Tien says that the first is Snowy Dance of Ultimate Ice Technique, the second is Gentleness Amidst Warmth, Snowless Glacier Technique, and the third is Unparalleled Chill, Empress Sword. All 3 are very dangerous techniques and their power is also very high, but right now the little Ice Goddess cannot use that much power. Because right now she is only in her baby form, but as her power increases, the power of these techniques will also increase. Now Yu Hao says that these 3 techniques show the 3 soul rings of the Ice Goddess, but the Ice Goddess has shown me if he had given 4 soul rings, then what would be the 4th technique? Now he himself asks the little Ice Goddess about this thing, but the little Ice Goddess goes to sleep without saying anything. Because she was very tired due to using so much power, although Uncle New Tien says that perhaps even the little Ice Goddess does not know about that 4th technique, but you will have to start practicing. You should practice all 3 of these techniques. You have to stay so that you can master them. However, after this, all 4 of them started returning back to Hao Tian sect. Although the little Ice Goddess is sleeping right now, Uncle Titan says, will you give it to me because it will never come to me when I wake up, but on this Uncle New Tien says that according to me, you are enough for today. The bars have been frozen, so you should not make such a demand, and as soon as he says this, they start laughing, and with this episode 61 ends here.